Ever wondered how to save money on groceries? Well, the good news is that with a little bit of planning and creativity, you can stretch your grocery budget further. Let's dive right into it. Firstly, make a meal plan. By planning your meals for the week, you can avoid buying items that you don't need and avoid food wastage. This means deciding what meals and snacks you'll be eating during the week and creating a shopping list based on that. It's a simple way to avoid those impulsive, unnecessary purchases. Next, consider buying in bulk. Purchasing items in larger quantities can often save you money in the long run. Look for deals and discounts on bulk items such as rice, pasta, and canned goods. Not only will this save you money, but it will also reduce the number of trips you need to make to the grocery store. Another tip is to shop the sales. Keep an eye out for weekly specials and discounts at your local grocery store. Plan your meals around these sales to take advantage of the lower prices. You can also use coupons and loyalty programs to save even more money. When shopping, be sure to compare prices. Don't just grab the first item you see. Take the time to compare prices between different brands and sizes. Sometimes the generic or store brand can be just as good as the name brand, but at a lower price. Consider shopping at discount stores or farmers markets. These places often have lower prices on fresh produce and other grocery items. Plus, you'll be supporting local businesses and farmers. Lastly, don't forget to check your pantry and fridge before heading to the store. You may already have some items on hand that can be used to make a meal. By using what you already have, you can save money and reduce food waste. So, there you have it, some simple tips to help you save money on groceries. With a little bit of planning and smart shopping, you can stretch your grocery budget further and still enjoy delicious meals. Start implementing these tips today and see the difference it makes in your wallet. Next, consider buying generic products. Brand name products often come with a higher price tag. But did you know many generic products are manufactured in the same facilities as your favorite name brand products? Sometimes the only difference is the packaging and the price. Another smart strategy is to pay with a grocery rewards card. These cards offer cash back or points on your supermarket purchases, which can help offset the cost of your groceries. Some even offer rewards on other categories, like dining out or fueling up your car. Don't forget to shop the sales. Check your local newspaper or store apps to know what's on sale and when, but remember, don't buy things just because they're on sale. Make sure they fit into your meal plan. Joining grocery store loyalty programs can also be beneficial. These programs often offer points and coupons, and some even offer exclusive discounts for loyalty members. Buying items in bulk and freezing the extras is another way to save. Foods like bread, meat, and cheese can be significantly cheaper when bought in large quantities. So, when it makes sense, buy more and freeze what you don't need right away. Buying produce that's in season can also save you money. Out-of-season produce often comes with a higher price tag, so understanding what fruits and vegetables are in season can help you enjoy them when they are at their tastiest and cheapest. Bulk bins are another great place to save. These bins allow you to buy the exact amount you need of things like grains or nuts, which can help you avoid waste. Lastly, if you have multiple grocery stores near you, compare products and prices across these stores. Shop where you find the best deals. So, to recap, you can save money on groceries by planning your meals, buying generic products, using a grocery rewards card, shopping the sales, joining loyalty programs, buying in bulk, buying in-season produce, shopping from bulk bins, and comparing prices across stores. With these strategies, you'll be well on your way to making your grocery budget stretch further. Happy shopping!